Tatlo.
Ano ba yan? Alam na. Sauce talaga.
Sige. Ano? Sige.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Good evening sa all. Nais ko yakapin kang mahigpit. Mahal kita at hindi kita pababayaan. Thank you for the 2 million in the house. Salamat. Nasaan na sila?
Tita, mami. Tita. Tita, mami. Lagi magporta, tita, mami.
What naman?
Tita, mami, lagi magporta.
Ay, ako.
Ikaw yan, Gab. Ikaw yan,
Kuya,
Gab.
Kuya Gab, lagi man sabi ako tubig, sabi.
Gabit na. Ako na.
Hindi ho. Malamig.
Hindi, ito maligam-gam.
Malamig.
Hoy, baka na. Malamig. Malamig nga. Ako makakatut ha. Ako makakatut. Very.
Thank you guys.
Bye. Bye, tita.
Bye-bye. thumbs up dyan. Maganda siya. Hi, Greg! How are you? Kumusta? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. How are you, Greg? Thank you for joining here. Hi, how are you doing today? Race day today. How about you? What are you doing? Thank you for the 4 million in the house. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Nais ko nakita ka. Thank you for the 7 million in the house. Hello. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you. You come here now. Thank you. Good evening, my dear. Good evening. I'm doing fine also. I'm just laying down. Okay. Hello, Greg from Rodrigo, my friend. Thank you, guys. Long time, Greg. Yes. Long time no hair, Greg. Hello, bro, Rodrigo. From Greg. Tip like. Okay, so thank you, Rodrigo. I'm around, Charot. Ah, okay. You're around. I have to go in a minute. Okay, Greg. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. God bless. Good morning there in US. Good morning, Marika. From Philippines. Ding dong. Yes. Ding dong. The ding dong. I knew it. Yes. I stay close to beautiful woman from Rodrigo. Wow, that's great. Thank you for the 6 million in the house. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ray Miller, hi! Ray Miller, hello! Welcome back for a long, long time. Where are you from? What are you doing? Mwah, $25. Ay, 25,000 times. How are you? I'm good. Still the same. I want to go to Rodrigo house. Huh? Really? Wow. Your neighborhood? Greg? Living work. Ah, okay. You're living work now? Cheryl, did you get your coffee? Finish the coffee. The coffee is finished. Done. Very good, Greg. Finish the coffee. Thank you. 10. 10 in the morning in Brazil. What here? Here 9 p.m. p.m. here. Thank you so much for joining here, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate you. I will be back. Okay, don't cry. Why I need to cry? Oh my god. Funny. Playing, Rodrigo. Enjoy your weekend, Maganda Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Same to you. Same to you, Greg. Happy weekend to all. Enjoy your weekend, Maganda Cheryl. Greg. Salamat po. Wala nga naman po. Wala nga naman po. Po. I don't know. I don't know. Oo, basa na naman ng hair mo.
No. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you around from Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. See you around. No, I'm not play basketball. I don't know how to. But I want volleyball. I like volleyball. Just watching basketball, but I don't know how to play.
Tita Mami, sabi ko pera. Tita Mami, lagi ng pera. Tita Mami, lagi ng pera.
Cheerleaders, yes.
Tita Mami,
Tama
lagi
na,
ng
may
pera.
naglalay baga ako, maribukong ka. Yes, cheerleader. I like that. Hindi ka mapormal. Thank you for joining, guys. Yes.
Dapat bawal tungkol.
At sa bawat
Bawal dapat
minuto, gusto ko nang
Bawal dapat
sumuko.
tungkol dala. Bawal dala na. Ay, kung may ako dito. Oo. May ito. Dito. Bawal yung tay. Bawal naman yung loob. Oo.
Good evening, Sheryl. Hi, Mike. Thank you, Mike. How are you, Mike? That. Good morning. Good morning, Mike from US. Greetings from Philippines. I'm great, thanks. How was your day? My day is a good day. Yes. How about you, Mike? Thank you, Mike, for joining. Hi, Greg from Mike. Hi.
Aray ko,
People are busy now, maybe because working day. Happy weekend.
tita.
Maglalay ba ka? Matubog naman ka mo.
Akala.
Maribog ka mo, Gab. Tama na, Gab.
Ako lang yung dili ah. Kumain na sila. Mama!
Gabriel. I'm just stopping by for a few minutes. I need to go to the store soon. Thank you, Mike, for joining here. Even few minutes. I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot to Luna, Marbuko. Gabriel. Hindi ka naman nagpo-formal, Gab.
Hindi ko lang makakasunod.
Sa'yo.
Hindi ko lang makakasunod.
Thank you, Mike.
Para.
God bless, Tigger.
Derek naman.
Ikaw, Gab, di ka ba formal, Gab? Natulog na ako, hindi ko makain. Hi, sister Naba. How are you? Naba Prasad sa Kapati. I'm fine. How about you? Thank you to those who give the thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Naba Prasad sa Tapati, thank you so much. I am fine. That's great. Me too, I'm fine. Your city morning na night. Night here now. Night. Evening here. Tama na yan, tama na. Tama na yan, tama na. Tama na, Gab.
Sabi mo, yung kita kara sa kabila.
Time here now. 9:11 in the evening. 9:11 p.m. Sister time. Yes. 9:11 p.m. here. 9:11 in the evening. Here. Where are you from? Naba Prasad sa Tapati. Where are you from? What country? Okay. Where do you live? Where are you from? Thank you for the thumbs up, John. Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I am from India. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Naba Prasad. Your language song, please. Your language song. Maligaw man sa kawalan. Yes. I feel dizzy. I feel dizziness. Oh my God. Super, super boys. Yes. Super boys outside or what? What do you mean? Oh my God. They don't. Hi, Sheryl. Hi, Tita. Hi, Tita Marie. Kumusta po? Nahilo ako. Nahilo sa ng loob. Charot. Indian girl. Korean boy marriage. Huh? Are you an Indian girl married by Korean boy? Are you? Just finished watching 3 hours of the singing competition with sponsor. I was up at 5 a.m. Oh my God! Just finished watching 3 hours of the singing competition. Oh my God! God bless you, Tita and Tito. Thank you so much. Sana all. Sana all talaga. God bless you more. Kumakain ka ba? Bakit busy? Kumain na ako. Siguro pagod lang. Nahilo ako. At kumain na ako kanina. Late na kami kumain. Nagano yung paningin ko, parang gumagana. Siguro na-stress lang. Your country girl mobile number, give me sister. My mobile number. Can type here eh. Gaya ang arte, no? Can type her eh. Ang arte eh. Phone number. Can type my phone number. Not possible. Stress yan, galing sa Diyos. Okay. Stress talaga. Nag-away naman kami ngayon. Tatapos lang siguro yun. Stress pala. Sorry, okay. It's fine. Diba? Stress. Diba? Opo. Stress. Parang gusto ko na mag-disappear. Parang ganun ba? Mawala muna. Paano? Nahilo ako talaga. Alam ko kasi maraming Filipino vloggers ganyan. Vloggers ganyan. You eating, friend? I'm not eating. I already eat food. I already ate dinner. Multitask kasi. Yung trabaho, tapos may ano ka dito sa bahay, parang ganun. Tapos nagbablog ka. Parang walang ano, yung time management. Parang ano. Wala, busy lang. Can you Hindi language speak? No, I don't speak Hindi. I don't speak. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you guys. You're sleeping? Not yet. I'm just feel dizziness. I know a lot of vloggers that go through the mental stress. And then, ang gawa sila sabihin sa iyo na stop sa pag-vlog. Sorry, oo nga. Yun nga, yun ganun na nga. Kaso nga lang, di ba, parang medyo ano din, parang medyo, yung iniisip ko kasi, sayang naman pag mag-earn naman ng ano, di makakatulong din. Tiyaga-tiyaga lang, parang iniisip ko din. Kakalibangan, yung parang, yung habang nag-ano ka, pag na-monetize ang channel mo, habang wala kang ginagawa, vlog-vlog ka, at least, may extra income. May gusto ka kasing bilihin na hindi mo na kailangan hingiin. Na, kasi baka makarinig ka ng sumbat. Yung parang ganun. May sarili ka rin na gusto na afford mo yung ganun. Sa sarili mong bulsa na hindi galing sa iba. Parang yung mga ganun. Masarap kasi sa feeling din na may nabibili ka na galing mismo sa pinaghirapan mo, galing mismo sa bulsa mo, na hindi galing sa iba. No. Marami nang ganyan. Pa-stress. Huwag ka umasa sa kanya. Ikaw ay makulong. Ikaw ay makulong at malungkot. Opo. Mahirap kasi pag ganyan. Thank you, tita. Caring advice only. Salamat, thank you. Salamat sa advice, tita. Nakakatulong din yun po sa parang na motivate din ako. Kasi minsan, mahirap mag-share, lalo na pag sa family, sa friends. Kasi hindi naman nila ako parang medyo naisip ko, hindi naman ako, pala share pa. Alam nila, okay lang ako. Ngiti-ngiti, ganyan. Okay lang. Para pag share na ng parang weird na mag-share ako ng ano. Kasi, thank you, tita, sa pag... sa pag-advise. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 5 people. Wait lang. Thank you. Ingat ka. Bye-bye. Bye, tita. Thank you for joining. Again. See you later. See
Wala
you
siya
next
magalaki araw ka
live.
sa ayam.
Diri ka mapuyo, Gab. Bye-bye. God bless, tita. God bless. See you later. See you next live. Ano na ako? Nantok na. Antok na. Gab! Gabriel!